Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the market quickly and then we'll dive into the portfolio and then we're going to talk about one particular stock which is unique stock, and I'm going to talk about that stock, whether I'm going to give a buy rating or sell rating for that stock. So please watch this video till the end so you will get a lot more insights about the stock. Yeah, thank you. So let's continue about the market. So today the market is short as mixed signals from last 1 week. There is no Santa rally, I believe. I didn't see any rally from last 1 week, and few sectors. One day technology sector is going up, the next day finance sector is going up, and the technology is going down. Then other day the software is going up and the retail is going down, and the next day the retail is going up and the software is going down. So it's like a mixed signal from the last 1 to 2 weeks, right? So I don't see there is any specific trend whether it's going up or whether it's going down, but it's too volatility. So I would say that, but other than that, nothing crazy on the market, nothing to worry. And let's dive into the portfolio. So today my portfolio looks little red. I lost 0.04% on overall portfolio, and yeah, this is how my portfolio looks like. So this one combining with Fidelity, Robinhood, Wibble. I have three different portfolios for three different reasons, and this Blossom will show you all three portfolios. So this is what I have total $57,859, and I also have Indian portfolio which is not reflecting on here, but this is what. So today there is no the gainer was Nike, and we had a conversation yesterday about Nike. Nike made some moves today because of Tim Cook bought some stocks of Nike, and it made to go uptrend, so which got 2% returns over today. And next stock that would be Celsius. Celsius also got 2% momentum today, and other than that, UNH got some momentum today. So which is what driving my portfolio upside today and kind of balancing it. So let's talk about the stock. So the stock I want to talk about is MicroStrategy. So what's going on with MicroStrategy? So this stock is going downtrend from almost a year, and it was almost at 450 level. Now it was trading around 165 level. So what's happening with the stock? So as per my knowledge, this stock is going down because of Bitcoin, and this company is buying Bitcoin. There is no tomorrow. Trust me, this company is buying Bitcoins like there is no tomorrow. And Michael Saylors is the CEO of this company, and he believes Bitcoin will go up to $1 million a coin by 2040 or 2047. That is what he expecting. But in reality, do you guys really think the Bitcoin will reach to $1 million a coin? If you really believe that, this stock is the best stock you could buy instead of Bitcoin. If you don't believe that, you probably don't want to buy MicroStrategy. There is only two people. The people who believes Bitcoin will reach to $1 million a coin, the people who doesn't believe the Bitcoin will go to zero. So if you are the other guy who believes it will go to zero, so probably skip this video. This video is not for you. This video is for the people who believe the Bitcoin will reach to $1 million a coin. Yeah, this is going to be your video, guys, because there are multiple reasons why Bitcoin will reach to $1 million. Here's what I was thinking, right? So Nvidia, AMD, any other chip making companies, they're producing these chips for who? Not only for AI. The people who mine the Bitcoins, they will buy these chips too. It is an ecosystem. If Bitcoin is going down, if Bitcoin is going to go zero, Nvidia is going to get affect. AMD is going to get affect. MicroStrategy is going to get affect. Coinbase is going to get affect. There are bunch of companies going to get affect. It's hard to believe Bitcoin is going to go zero because a lot of companies built by Bitcoins, because of Bitcoins got existed, these companies are got open up. If Nvidia chips are selling at least 20% of the chips, let's say they're making 100% of chips, 20% of the chips are bought by these minor companies like Bitmine. There are a bunch of other companies. These companies will buy these chips to mine the Bitcoins, to mine Ethereum, to mine Solana, There are X number of coins, Dogecoin, meme coins, Trump coin. There are X number of coins. So if Bitcoin is going to go down to south, why would people invest in Ethereum? Why would people invest into Solana? So are they solving any existing problem? Right? So they are solving some problem, but not Bitcoin. I don't think so. Bitcoin is, most of the people think Bitcoin is usually held by drug dealers or the people who transfer money, turning black money to transferring to cross borders. Like, if I want to send money from United States to India, I could use Bitcoin. I don't need to use Remitly. I don't need to use some X software to send my money, right? I could use Bitcoin simply, and it will go within 5 minutes, right? But in reality, people believe that Bitcoin will go zero, and but silently lot of companies are buying Bitcoins. Example, recently Michael Saylor bought Bitcoin, which is worth around $748 million worth of Bitcoins he bought in between December 12 to 20. He bought this many Bitcoins. And not only that, lot of countries are holding Bitcoins as a reserve currency. Even USA hold Bitcoins, around $3 billion worth of Bitcoins, they are holding in their portfolio. If Bitcoin is going to go down to south, why would US buy the Bitcoin? For no reason. They knew something that we are not able to catch up. So trust me, there are hundreds of positive things about Bitcoin, and it's not only used by drug dealers. It is one of the great currency out there, and it was trying to replicate the dollar. So there is this scenario people are thinking, but not 100% sure. One day, US want to convert their currency into Bitcoin, crypto, which would wipe out the US debt, which is 34 to 38 trillion dollars. So they want to wipe out their 34 trillion dollars debt by using cryptocurrency. That's what people are assuming. It's not true. They're just assuming. But if that's going to happen, definitely Bitcoin going to reach $1 million a coin. Trust me. So it's not, and there are a couple of people who predicting that Bitcoin will reach to $50,000 a coin by mid 2026. That's what I'm expecting some of the people. But in reality, if Bitcoin goes down to north, which is upside, like if Bitcoin reaches to 200k a coin or 300k a coin, then the MicroStrategy will definitely reach the levels $600 a stock or $800 a stock. That's what's going to happen. It is 2x upside value. If you buy a Bitcoin, it maybe give you 1x return. But if you buy MicroStrategy, it will give you 2x return, because they are holding almost close to 700k worth of Bitcoins. If each coin turns to 200k, that value of that holdings would reach easily to $120 billion market cap. This MicroStrategy itself is a $50 billion market cap right now. Less than 50 billion, I believe. If it reaches to 200k, then MicroStrategy will reach to $300 billion worth of market cap within no time. Right? If Bitcoin is going down, people are selling just like there is no tomorrow. If Bitcoin is going up, people are buying like there is no tomorrow. Trust me, you see this chart? If you observe this chart, there is too much volatility. This is a huge risky stock. If you want to risk your money, like after $100, I would like to risk $10 to make $100. I'm okay to lose this $10. If you are a person who think like that, this stock would be better fit for you. If not, don't even dare to buy this stock. You don't want to have a sleepless nights. You want to have a peaceful nights. If you want to have a peaceful nights, go by Walmart, go by Robinhood, or go by Costco. You don't need to buy MicroStrategy. I'm not suggesting you to buy the stocks. I'm giving you my perspective about the stock. So I hold MicroStrategy, and I'm gonna keep buying MicroStrategy for next 2 months. I believe Bitcoin will reach easily 500,000 by 2035. That is my expectations. If Bitcoin is reaching half a million a coin by 2035, that means MicroStrategy is going to reach to $1,200 a stock. So why would I miss this? I'm okay to risk my $10 out of $100. Even if I lose this $10, I'm totally fine. It's not going to change my life. So I would definitely buy. That is the reason I'm bullish on MicroStrategy. So I'm betting this money. I'm betting this on MicroStrategy, thinking that Bitcoin will reach to $500,000 by 2035. It is not too far. It's only one more decade. One more decade, I'm gonna get 10x return on my money. The $10 I invested will turn to $100 within a decade. It's a great investment for me. I would think in that way. But the other side, if you are an investor who doesn't want to take this kind of risk, better not to invest in this stock. So trust me, it's all depends on you, your mental ability. Do you want to risk your money? If yes, do it. If you don't do it. It's up to you whether you want to buy the stock or sell the stock or hold the stock. But you want to know what gonna happen in the future if you buy the stocks. That is the reason why I'm making this video. Yes. So that ends my talking about the stock. And there are three stocks that you can hold if you want to buy a Bitcoin. Either you can hold a Coinbase, either you can hold a MicroStrategy, or you can hold a Hood, which is Robin Hood, or the fourth stock you can own Bitmine. So these are the four stocks. Either any stock you can buy. It's if this cryptocurrency is going to affect these stocks for sure. If Bitcoin is going up, these stocks might reach. If Bitcoin raise to 10% upside value, these stocks will reach to easily 20% upside value. If Bitcoin is going to down 10% value, then these stocks will lose 20 to 30% of their value. So that is how much volatility these stocks are. So trust me, there is no fundamentals to check for this stock because fundamentals doesn't define the stock. The only speculations. Okay, the retail investors and speculation will drive the stock to upside. There is no fundamentals to check on the stock and invest on the stock. Yes, if you want to go buy the stock based on fundamentals, you probably have to wait for a couple of months to get the stock around $60, $50 a stock. That makes the stock as a fundamental value. If Bitcoin goes to down to zero, this stock will maybe close to $40 or $60. Yeah, but not gonna go to zero. That is different. This is different because this stock doesn't only hold Bitcoins. They have a software business too. That software business just even worth like somewhere around $50 to $60 or like $50 to $80 in between, fluctuates. So that's the value of the stock based on just for the software. Based on holding Bitcoins, trust me, it will easily go to $400 within no time. Yeah, that's what gonna happen for this stock. So it's all up to you how you want to make your mind. So whether you want to buy the stock or sell the stock, based on my analogy, you can understand little more better. And there are hundreds of videos you can find in the market which talking about Bitcoins on MicroStrategy. You can watch them too. As per my analogy, the supporting line for the stock is $155 and the resistance is $165. Yeah, so that's all I have for today, guys. If you want me to talk about any particular stock, please add the stock ticker code in the comment. I'm going to watch this comment and I'm going to talk about the stock. Thank you for watching. Have a good night. Bye bye.